Okay guys, so how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your Android. So if you see such message connecting but it's not connecting, first what you need to do is go to settings. So locate settings on your mobile phone, click on it. You will see such menu, and here you need to click on connections. Okay, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, and here you need to tap on three dots. Okay, so select Advanced here. Scroll down and click on Manage Networks. Okay, so you will see all your networks. You need to now you need to select your Wi-Fi network. What are you trying to connect to? So here it is, yeah. And now when you have selected your network, you need to click on Forget. Now go back to Wi-Fi to connect and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you enter password, it should connect back to your network. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.